हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू मॉम फैब लाइफ। आज मैं आ चुकी हूँ IKEA बेंगलुरु अपने नए घर के लिए शॉपिंग करने। सो कम लेट्स एक्सप्लोर IKEA टुगेदर। सो जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं, अभी कुछ दिन पहले मैंने आप सबसे शेयर किया था दैट वी बॉट अ न्यू हाउस फॉर आवरसेल्व्स इन चेन्नई। और अब घर लिया है तो उसको फर्निश करना पड़ेगा, उसको डेकोरेट करना पड़ेगा, और इसी कारण की वजह से मैं आ चुकी हूँ IKEA। Now, the closest IKEA to Chennai is IKEA Bengaluru. मेरे पास एक लंबी लिस्ट है for all the things I need to purchase for my new home. So let's get started. Now, this is not my first time visiting IKEA. I have already visited IKEA back in Chicago in 2016 or 17, and I loved the concept. Everything under one roof. Now, the first thing after parking is the display level. Here the products are displayed in a way where the shopper can actually take a good look and feel about the product. Now, like all other IKEAs, IKEA Bengaluru is also huge. So make sure whenever you visit IKEA, you're in your most comfortable shoes. अगर आप IKEA पहली बार जा रहे हैं और IKEA सिर्फ देखने जा रहे हैं तो ठीक है, लेकिन अगर आप सीरियस शॉपिंग करने जा रहे हैं, इफ़ यू आर प्लानिंग योर न्यू होम और इफ़ यू आर इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ डिज़ाइनिंग अ न्यू होम जस्ट लाइक मी, मेक श्योर यू हैव अ लिस्ट हैंडी। इससे आपका टाइम वेस्ट नहीं होगा एंड यू मेक फुल यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ योर डे। As you can see, this is the sofa section. There are n numbers of sofa options and couches. Some are indoor sitting options and some are outdoor sitting options as well. The sofas were decent, but if you honestly ask me, it was kind of pricey for the material used. IKEA के इस डिस्प्ले लेवल पे छोटे छोटे रूम्स क्रिएट किए जाते हैं, जैसे कि लिविंग रूम, किड्स बेडरूम या मास्टर बेडरूम, किचन, और इन सारे सेटिंग्स में वो प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करे जाते हैं जो स्पेसिफिकली उस रूम के लिए डिज़ाइंड हो। हर प्रोडक्ट के साइड में इस तरीके का वाइट और रेड कलर का स्लिप होगा। इस स्लिप पे उस प्रोडक्ट के डिटेल्स और प्राइस होते हैं स्पेसिफाइड। आप इस स्लिप की फ़ोटोग्राफ खींचकर अपने फ़ोन में रख सकते हैं और जब काउंटर पे जाइए तो ये पिक्चर आप किसी भी हेल्पर को दिखाने से वो आपकी मदद करेंगे, आपकी हेल्प करेंगे उस प्रोडक्ट को प्रोक्यूर करने में फ्रॉम द वेयरहाउस। IKEA is primarily very famous for its furniture. There is a wide range of furniture and designs available with good pricing. सच बताऊं तो डिस्प्ले लेवल पे काफ़ी चलना पड़ता है। There is so much to see and IKEA is huge. और इतना चलने के बाद आप इतना थक जाते हो that you get really hungry. This kind of food is really a treat at that time. Swedish veg cutlets were amazing. The soup was awesome. The dal was good, but the actual thing to die for was the dessert. I think I took really long time to finish my meal because I was relishing every bit of it. After finishing my meal, I headed to the lighting section, and this is why I came primarily to IKEA for the lighting, some specific lights. I needed some soft focus lights, I needed some pendant lights, I needed some wall lights, some side lamps. Also, I gave in to some impulsive purchases. Now, this is the mirror section. They had mirrors from all shape and sizes, wall mirrors and floor mirrors and whatnot.
Good morning, everybody. So this is day 2 of Bangalore. Also have to give you a little update. I was traveling to to Bangalore from Chennai on my own. So this is like a solo trip, and I really enjoyed my solo time at shopping at IKEA. There are some specific things I had to buy and see face to face, so I couldn't order online. I had to come for myself and select because it was a big list, and I don't want to risk it, the dimensions, the measurements, and I've bought a lot of stuff for the new home. Also, somebody had to stay with the kids, so Amit is there taking care of the kids. He's my rock. And while I knew all the measurements for the house, I came down here. So first round of shopping, phase 1, happened yesterday. It was very successful, and actually I've bought most of the stuff yesterday itself. Today, last night I checked into this cute little hotel, and this is near to IKEA. It's a very tiny room, but it's very cozy, very comfy, and just necessary, for the just for a night. And today is the day 2, and I will pick up some knickknacks which I have left, or which I think now that it might be useful. So I'm just going to pick up that, and then after winding everything off, I'm going to head back to Chennai. So guys, I'm very, very excited. A big, huge IKEA haul is coming soon your way. I'm very excited, and I'm sure you will love a lot of things I've bought for the new home. And just wait for the huge IKEA haul vlog, and keep watching. I'll go to IKEA today as well, and I'll shoot some stuff which I think I should have, and keep watching.
So this is my day 2 at IKEA. I came back for some small knickknacks which I have left on my day 1, and I regretted. So I came back, and this is the day when I have to travel back to Chennai. So I wanted to really zoom through the display section. Now, this was a weekend, and I was very surprised that there were very, very, very less crowd on the weekend, surprisingly, at least not when I went. And this gave me ample opportunity to see things perfectly and, without any disturbance. So this is the kids' room, and all the kids' room were decorated so beautifully. The small knickknacks and the storage and everything. Small things, but only if I could have so many walls in my house. So I had to literally hold all my temptations and walk through. Like I said, IKEA की specialization है उसका wooden furniture. There was a wide range of cabinets and bookshelves and TV units and shoe racks. The design and the variety of options were wide, but the pricing was very affordable. It was hard for me to choose one shoe rack because there were so many design options, but I'm not going to tell which one. That reveal you're going to see soon. Also, if you're in the process of designing your own home, you can go to IKEA just for ideation. The color of the walls, the usage of the product, the wardrobes, how they have kept the products, and how they have used the space. You can just go for idea for maximum utilization of space. Once you're done with the display level, you actually head forward to the marketplace. Now, marketplace is a level where you actually can pick the product yourself. Honestly, I was really excited to visit IKEA, but IKEA Bengaluru जाने के बाद मुझे लगा जैसे वहाँ पे लूट मच चुकी है. It has been ransacked because there were very less crockery available. But whatever was available, I had to make do with it. So here there is a small suggestion. If you're searching for something in particular, a particular product, then please go to IKEA app, and that will show you that if the product is available in the required store. If it's not showing available, it probably means that the product is no more available in the store you want to visit. Now this is a furnishing section of IKEA. Here there were a wide range of foot mats and bath mats and carpets and curtains. Here there is a display of foot mats, and they were really good with a lot of Indian motifs, very fresh. There were a lot of variety of carpets ranging from affordable to more premium and expensive quality also. Now the lighting section or the display of the lights at IKEA was really amazing. It was really breathtaking. For for kids room lighting, I mean, there were different kinds of light and different motifs and different shapes like leaves and flowers and butterflies and heart and animals. And there were different kind of lights like floor lamps and table lamps and ceiling lamps and wall lamps. So you will get a wide range of lighting options, but all under one roof. इतना खाली IKEA टूर कभी नहीं देखा होगा. दिस माइट बी द ओनली व्लॉग जिसमें कोई दिख ही नहीं रहा. आई वॉज वेरी ग्लैड दैट क्राउड उस दिन नहीं था, एंड इट वॉज वेरी सरप्राइजिंग कि संडे के दिन भी इतना क्राउड नहीं था. आई जस्ट गॉट लकी. Here is the mirror section again, and since I couldn't make up my mind on day 1, I decided to pick a mirror on day 2. Also with mirror I picked up some photo frames, but I'm not going to show you everything in this vlog. For the IKEA haul you have to stay tuned. this is the garden section where there were a lot of plants and pots. Now with this we come to the end of this vlog. I hope आपको ये vlog पसंद आया होगा, and if you really like the vlog, please do like, share and subscribe. अगर आपको जानना है कि मैंने क्या क्या परचेज किया अपने न्यू घर के लिए, प्लीज़ मेरी आगे की होम सीरीज देखते रहिए, जिसमें मैं आपको अपनी IKEA हॉल ज़रूर रिवील करूँगी. Till then, bye bye.